Check me out, kid. Go ahead. Look at these dumb fucks on terminal. I ain't in the shit. I ain't in the shit, kid. I don't care. I ain't in the shit. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. Don't worry about it, Sneaky. They're on our team right now. They just changed. They're killing each other on our team. Look, they're stupid as fuck. You're dumb. You don't know rules, obviously. No, it's not. You didn't use it. It doesn't matter. Snake. Hey, be quiet though. Hey, it don't matter. Don't fall into their bullshit. They don't understand. No, you guys didn't. No, you guys didn't. No, you guys didn't, buddy. Nah. Nope. 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 Look at them all killing each other. Hey, don't kill them. Don't kill them. Let them kill us. Let them kill us. Get a ref in, you dumb bitch. I got it on videotape. They're fucking retarded. All day.